rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is immense pleasure to welcome you all to the graduation ceremony of class of 2022 students' lives, as it gives the returns to the efforts put in by the students throughout their academic endeavor. And requesting our head of the Value Education Department of Hira institutions, determination and self-confidence, who incessantly chisels only the excellence of the individuals to institution and in fostering a culture of academic excellence and social faculty and staff.
We are gathered here to felicitate our graduate students, to give them award of graduation. In this occasion, I feel very proud to be the part of Hira institution and the part of this program. Dear students, but dear scholars, dear researchers, after the graduation, when you were awarded a certificate of degree, you will feel something different in your life. After calling you graduate, let me share a few words with you to be the part of your thoughts in your life. Actually, these moments are very memorable moments in our life. We can't forget it in our whole life. But it gives us some messages. It demands from us some standings in our life. It asks us to be sincere in our whole social life after this graduation. Actually, the education is the key of the success and the key of the successful life. But actually, the education in the meaning of getting knowledge, information is not enough to make successful life. We want something else. We expect something else. After the graduation, responsibility is different. Your position is different. Your place is different. The demand from the society is different. The expectation of the school and the management and the college is different. Overall, the expectation of the whole surroundings is different. You are not like other students when they are in the student life. Now, you are getting some responsibility in your life. I would like to say, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes us human being. So He puts some special responsibilities upon us that is not for other creations. Similarly, when you are educated, you are called educated people, graduated people. These women are the educated women. These ladies are the graduated ladies. It means you have separate place. You have separate position in the society. People are observing you from different angle. They want something different from you. That is not your information, what you have put in your mind throughout the life of your college life and school life. But remember my words. Now you will be judged in the society by your character, by your relationship, by your behavior, by your dealings, because all the people will see you from different angle. You are graduated. You are literal one. You have the chance of education in your life. So many girls are there without education. What is the difference between you and them? What thing distinguishes you from others? It is your character. It is your talent. It is your behavior. It will be checked and judged in your social life. Whatever degree, whatever certificate you have, it is beneficial for your higher studies. It will be acceptable and verified in your universities and different jobs. But the society will check you not by your certificates, but by your character, by your behavior, by your morals, by your etiquettes, by your dealings with others. How are you beneficial for the humankind? How are you good for your family? So I would like to say, be ready for this challenge. Stand firmly and prove yourself in the society. You know, when one person of you is the good representative of this Hira institution, far better than the thousands and thousands amount to be spent for the publicity. Your role is very important key role for our college also. Remember, now you are the role model. If I conclude my words in few points, I would like to say, now you are the role model for the society. Till now, people are saying, she is studying in the college, so she can do this and that, okay, we can accept. Now your position is different. Now you will enter in different life. After marital life, you will face some new challenges. How to prove yourself, how to utilize your knowledge in your social life, how to accept challenges of the society and prove yourself, how to be the beneficial one in the society for all the human beings. If you prove yourself, this is the actual success of your life. High marks, good rewards, all are valuable, appreciable, but the main challenge, and I can say the main success of your whole education is to prove yourself good, best, beneficial for the society in your whole life. I hope all of you will be the good mother, will be the good sisters, will be the good partner of life, will be the good persons in the society. You will change the society by your education, by your knowledge, by your character, by your behavior. I conclude my talk and I thank all the management to call me in this occasion, and as I am the part of this institution, I am participating in this program. I feel very proud, very honored to be in this program. Jazakumullahu khaira wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.